See Standard 10th Maths Chapter 1 Relations and Functions Unit Exercise 1 Sum 8 to Sum 10. See the 8th sum. F of x is x minus 1 by x plus 1 where x is not equal to minus 1. Why it is given not equal to minus? If it is equal to minus 1, denominator you will get 0. So the fraction itself not defined. Then function will not be defined. So the condition x should not be equal to minus 1. You have to show that f of x equal to minus 1 by x, where x is not equal to 0. Here this for this. First let me take f of x. This is x minus 1 by x plus 1 for x not equal to minus 1. So now next find f of x. So f of x is x minus 1 by x plus 1. So just we replaced x as this term. In the place of x I write x minus 1 by x plus 1 minus 1 divided by x minus 1 by x plus 1 plus 1. Take LCM. X plus 1 is the LCM. So x minus 1 minus, put the bracket, x plus 1. You write this x plus 1 here divided by, so x plus 1, same x plus 1 in the denominator, x minus 1 plus x plus 1. See, you can cancel this denominator terms. Both are same, you can cancel. So numerator will get x minus 1 minus x minus 1 divided by plus 1 and minus 1 cancel, 2x. Here plus x minus x cancel, minus 2 by 2x. So 2 cancel, you are getting minus 1 by x. And also condition x should not be equal to 0. So this is what we have to show. So I proved f of x is equal to minus 1 by x for x not equal to 0. Proved. See the 9th sum. The functions f and g are defined by f of x is 6x plus 8. G of x is x minus 2 by 3. Calculate the value of g of half. So first sum, let me do first. G of x is given as x minus 2 by 3. Question, you have to find g of half. First you find what is g of x. G of x is x minus 2 by 3. Then replace x as this x minus 2 by 3 minus 2 by 3. So here 3 is the LCM. X minus 2 minus 3 2s are 6. Okay, this denominator 3 you take here with this term. So you are getting x minus 8 by 9. Now I need to find g of 1 by 2. So replace x as 1 by 2. 1 by 2 minus 8 divided by 9. Here take 2 as LCM. 1 minus 8 2s are 16. Already this 9 denominator you joined with this 2. So this is minus 15 by 9 2s are 18. See 3 is common here. 5 3s are 15. 6 3s are 18. So g of half is equal to minus 5 by 6. This is the answer. Come to the second question. Write the expression for g of f of x. G of f of x. So this is g of f of x is 6x plus 8. g of x minus 2, that is 6x plus 8 minus 2 by 3. So 6x plus 2 minus 2 is plus 6 by 3. Take 6 as LCM, x plus 1 by 3. 1 3s are 3, 2 3s are 6. 2 into x plus 1. This is the answer. See the 10th question. Write the domain of the following real function. You have to find only the domain. See the values. What are the values you can substitute for x? Let me take the first sum. F of x is 2x plus 1 by x minus 9. So I can substitute any values for x, but I should be concentrate on the denominator. So here the denominator should not be equal to 0. So when x is 9, 9 minus 9, 0. So in that case function will not be defined. Therefore, except this 9, I can substitute any value for x as the domain. Therefore, f of x is not defined for x is equal to 9. Therefore, x should not be equal to 9. X should not be equal to 9. So, therefore, domain of f of x is all the real values except this 9 or minus 9. See the next part. P of x is 5 minus 5 by 4x square plus 1. See again it is a fraction. This denominator should not be equal to 0. So P of x is not defined. Is defined, or you can say defined when 4x squared plus 1 is not equal to 0. It should not be equal to 0. See, but anyway 4x squared, if I take equal to minus 1, it cannot be equal to minus 1 for any value of x, for any real number x. For any real number x, we never get the negative value, because for x positive, x squared is positive. For a minus value, suppose I take minus 2 squared, you will get positive value. It never be get as a negative value. Therefore, the domain of P of x is set of all real numbers. Set of all real numbers are. See the third question. G of x is root of x minus 2. So the domain, we substitute the value for x to get the range. See in that case, see this root sign, the x is inside the square root sign should not be negative. It should not be negative. It should be always positive. G of x is defined when x should be greater than 0. X should be greater than or equal to 0. Or just take, x minus 2 is greater than or equal to 0. So for x minus 2 greater than or equal to 0, take 2 to the other side. X is greater than or equal to 2. So therefore, g of x is defined for all real numbers. For all real numbers greater than 2. Greater than, you can take equal to sign also, greater than or equal to 2. equal to 2. See the fourth sum. H of x is x plus 6. So this h of x, see no denominator terms. So you can substitute any value for x. Corresponding you will get a value. It may be positive value or negative value. So this function is defined for all values of x. So domain of h of x is the set of all real numbers. Set of all real numbers. Numbers are. Thank you.